Hi, and welcome to Byjar Platform Training. We're going to look at the system detection, the classroom layout, the drawing tools, how to upload, screen sharing, and settings in Byjar. System detection will start upon your entry in the classroom. It is very loud. I advise you not to have your headphones in for this. As soon as you're used to Byjar being able to detect all your equipment and you've gone through the steps, you can in future simply hit the small X button at the very start, and that will skip all the steps in the future. When you enter the classroom, you will sometimes see a start button in the center of your screen. While this start button is present, then the students cannot see or hear you, and vice versa. Start button will not always be there. If there is no start button, then after system detection, your camera and microphone will open and you'll be able to see and hear the student. The timer in the top left of your screen is not a countdown and does not control your class. It is there to help you with your flow and activities. The cameras are on the right-hand side of the screen. Now, to help your class be more professional, I advise you to pop out the cameras. You can see at the moment I am looking at the right-hand side of the screen, so I am actually looking at the student's camera. So to make me look as if I'm making direct eye contact, I click on the small box with the arrow in the top right-hand corner, and that will pop out the video. I do this for both videos, and then shrink them down so I can see the PPT. This means now I can see not just the student, but my own face and TPR at the same time. Anything you do to these cameras, the student cannot see. It is only on your side of the platform. The courseware tab is also invisible to the students, so anything you do here, they cannot see. The classroom functions are across the bottom of your screen, though most of them you won't need to use. The toolbar is in the bottom left. To upload any files such as PDFs or PPTs in Byjar, you will click onto the courseware tab on the right-hand side of the screen. Click on the orange management button at the bottom. It will open a pop-up window where you can select documents to choose a PPT or PDF file, and animation PPT for any PPT that contains animations. Courseware will already be in the classroom for you. If you would like to upload any personal materials to help your classes, then this is how you will do so. Uploading songs or videos is different in Byjar. It does not allow you to directly upload them. Have a look at the screenshot at the top of my screen here. This is from my booking calendar. You can see I have a standard PPT available to download, as well as the lesson plan and audio. If I click this blue link, it takes me to a pop-up where I can download both files. I will do this before my class. During the class, when I am prompted to, I click on Play Media and then choose the file from Click to Open Folder. This will now play directly and immediately. In the case of a song or video, it will display over my camera and the students cannot see me for the duration. They can, however, hear me. The same goes for audio files. The students can still hear you through the audio file. Screen sharing is a useful function in Byjar. It will share either part of your screen or the whole of your screen. To screen share, you can select it from the functions at the very bottom of your screen. During screen share, the button will change to finish, so when you're ready to finish, simply click finish. Screen sharing is useful for communicating complicated meanings to students. For example, an object or place that is not part of the target lesson or target structure, but you still want the students to understand to help for context, then you can simply search it on Google or Bing and then screen share to show your students a picture. This avoids the use of unnecessary teacher talk or confusing your student or breaking up the flow of your lesson. The other tools on your functions bar are the sound settings, which are the 3 vertical white lines intersected by white dots you can see here. This will allow you to change your microphone settings. The only option is to make yourself louder. It will not make your voice clearer, nor will it improve the quality. If you would like to change your camera or mic or speaker during the class, then click onto the cog icon here, and that will let you choose from a number of options. During your class, you will notice the users on the right-hand side of your screen. You can see here, teacher and student Sophia. There will sometimes be ITC or admin in the classroom. Please ignore them. They will not interfere with your class and they will not speak to you in the platform. If you need to report any problems or they need to speak to you, they will do so via the WeChat groups.